Good day everyone. Today I'm creating video tutorial about my system. My system is career placement system. So before proceed, I'm log in my admin account. So this tutorial is to teach how to create feature, to log in, print report, filtering, secure login, encryption, activity log, and backup and restore. So first is the login. So before proceed, so to create account for student or employee. So also meron na akong account, lalagin ko na lang. So we have a reCAPTCHA for securing for multiple login like a bot and sign in. So login successful and first, so second I'm teach how to create feature. So first is the add or create. So post this IT, this mail, and your password. Right? Now, student added successful. If I'm looking for Jerome, we're here in row 21. So as you can see, and the show, how to show the Jerome Villaser the information. So I click the name, and as you can see, we have student information. And next step is to edit. So edit the course if you want. BSIT. Leave the blank if you don't want. Okay. Updated now, and I'm looking for Jerome. Wait. So dati PS Scream siya. Dahil in-update ko siya, naging BSIT na. Now, delete crude. So delete. So if I'm looking for Jerome row 21, and as you can see, wala na po siya, na-delete na rin. So that is we call crude feature. The create, show, edit, and delete. Next is print report. So if you can see, as you can see here, we have print preview. So if I click, and as you can see, pwede ko na siyang i-print. So let's try. So yan, pwede ko na siyang i-print. Next is filtering. So how to filtering? Go to my jobs or the others and find the front end. Search, and as you can see, we have 3 front end here. That it's filtering, multi-filtering. Secure login. How to secure your login? So log out. So as you can see here, how to secure. As you can see here, the password is naka-mask po siya. Mask is to hiding your password. Okay? Also, meron po tayong reCAPTCHA dito para sa mga bot and sa mga fake na naglalagin na o-open or magpupuno ng iyong database. So, click natin to. That's we call of secure login. So encryption. So, kanina natagal ko yung password is nakamas. So, ikaw lang ang may alam. Kahit na nasa public ka at na-view nila to, hindi nila makita. So, ang hash, the hash or MDA o hash na lang. As you can see here, naka-hash siya para kahit na si admin or yung nag-create ng system, hindi niya makikita yung password na create mo. Makikita niya pa rin, malalaman niya pa rin dahil siya ang nag-create. Pero, dahil pwede kang mag-create ng account, is pwede, hindi niya malalaman na yung password mo is naka-show. So, naka po siya, naka-hash. So, makita natin dito sa password. Yan, naka-null siya. That's encryption. Activity log. So, next is the activity log. Activity log. So here, so you can see here we have activity log for log in, log out, print preview like that, and something like that. So backup and restore, go to backup and restore, and the last backup is the May 11, and now, so as you can see here, we have a file backups, database backups, like that. So that's all. Thank you.